Hey guys, it's LaMeel from LaMeel.com and wealthempowerment.com, and I want to let you know about a really amazing program that I am releasing called Financial Freedom. This particular program gives you every single course on LaMeel.com. It gives you every single course on wealth empowerment, including our credit repair service, and you get 8 months of one-on-one coaching with me. You join a amazing wealth building opportunity with me, and I coach you to your first $100,000, which I guarantee if you follow the system and you do the work, you will have at the end of 2019. So if you are looking for an opportunity, you are ready to get that money, you are ready to get into alignment with the vibration of money, and you want starting today, June 1st actually, you get unlimited one-on-one coaching with me for the next 8 months, and we are going to get into alignment with the vibration of money and manifest for you $100,000. And this program, all of my programs combined, is several thousand, well over $10,000 in coaching and courses, and you're going to get this for an amazing price. Click the link below. If you want to join and you want $100,000 this year, click the link below. I'm only taking 5 people. I want to talk to you. You can text the number below. I will be here all weekend looking for the 5, and actually the truth is 2 of those spots are already gone. So we're looking for the last 3 people to join us in the financial. So literally there's only 3 spots left. So text me, email me, click the links, send the message. 100K this year. Let's get into alignment. Let's manifest this money. I'm here to answer your questions and guide you on your journey. And I'm really, really excited because the people that have already joined are movers, shakers. They're amazing. Totally, totally amazing. So to get the price details, there is a payment plan. Send me a message, text me, email me, schedule an appointment. There's only 3 spaces left, and I will see you guys tomorrow with our next alignment video.